Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give a little bit of predictions as well as analyze the current state of Dogecoin and the market. We think all Dogecoin holders need to watch this video as it may help them in the coming weeks. Dogecoin has suffered a crash recently, but rest assured, this meme crypto will rise again in the coming months and we could see an improvement in support levels. The trend line has been open to criticism by other crypto experts, and we believe that we also need to give you our thoughts concerning Dogecoin and where it's headed. If this is your first time on the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description for daily signals and a community of like-minded traders and investors. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular investment goals, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for VIP access on Discord, which gives you exclusive benefits far beyond the free features. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. Doge has been trading sideways for weeks. However, the Dogecoin price has reached an important crossroads and will soon break out. Dogecoin was trading last at 29 cents. In a similar fashion to most cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin has spent the last month on the road to nowhere. The hype surrounding digital assets earlier in the year has long since disappeared. The Dogecoin price was a main beneficiary of the gargantuan amount of capital that flowed into cryptos in the first 4 months of this year. The dog-themed coin that started as a joke gained 18,000% in a wave of speculative, celebrity-endorsed hubris. By mid-April, Doge had flipped most established projects and approached a $100 billion valuation. At its 76 cents peak, Dogecoin was the fourth largest crypto asset on the planet and was worth more than logistics giant FedEx. Of course, this social media-fueled mania was unsustainable. May's crash wiped out over $1 trillion in value from the cryptocurrency market. The Dogecoin price was not spared, losing over $60 billion from its market cap over the last month. The daily chart shows that Doge is wedged in a descending triangle pattern. This is probably not a good sign for the bulls. A horizontal line of support from the 29th of May low can be seen at 28 cents and should be considered the last line of defense for Doge. A break of this support could fast-track the price south, targeting the 19th of May low at 22 cents. Conversely, a descending line from the 2nd of June high of 44 cents is a key resistance level. This trend sits just above the current price at 29.8 cents. A break above this trend could extend to 33 cents. That being said, the downside is looking much more probable at the moment. However, the price did manage a bounce from the support this morning, but that's likely due to Doge experiencing short-term oversold conditions. Dogecoin sellers refuse to give up as the bearish momentum extends into the 5th consecutive day. Doge price is looking to break its 11-day range to the downside as the investor interest in the canine-inspired coin keeps diminishing. The sluggish price action could likely be associated with an absence of tweets from Elon Musk, Tesla Inc.'s founder and an endorser of Dogecoin. In other news, Dogecoin was chosen as the unit of account between SpaceX and GEC, giving Doge a claim on the first unit of space commerce. Testing key support as our technical setup favors the bears. Dogecoin's daily hour chart shows that the price remains confined within a narrow range, with the horizontal 21 daily moving average at 33 cents limiting the bulls. Meanwhile, the upward-sloping 100 DMA at 26 cents guards the downside. However, with the relative strength index pointing south below the central line, currently at 40 cents, the above-mentioned key support appears at risk. A daily closing below that cap could fuel a sharp drop towards the May 19th flash crash low of 19.5 cents. Should the selling pressure intensify, the ascending 200 DMA line of defense at 14.7 cents could come to the rescue of the Doge optimists. On the flip side, acceptance above the 21 DMA will open the gates towards the horizontal 50 DMA at 40.2 cents. The next bullish target is envisioned around 46 cents, June highs. To conclude, the downside appears more compelling for Doge price amid bearish RSI and lower highs formed so far. The Dogecoin price is subject to dramatic ups and downs. A day after the first spike in January of 2021, Dogecoin fell to 2 cents, losing 2/3 of its value. The investors who bought it ultimately suffered significant losses. The most optimistic forecasts for Dogecoin assume a similar development of events in February 2021, with the second fall to the bottom. Until the beginning of 2021, the value of the coin fluctuated around the 1 cent mark. Dogecoin's price prediction for 2021 is speculative, but it is possible that the Dogecoin rate has reached its maximum this year. This largely depends on the results of the PR campaign on social networks, in particular, users of TikTok. Last summer, a flash mob was launched on the social network, which involved the purchase of the meme coin in order to accelerate it to $1. One of the challenges said Dogecoin is practically worthless. At the same time, there are 800 million TikTok users. If everyone invests $25 and the coin rate reaches $1 per coin, it'll be possible to earn $10,000. Such stuffing could be called quite harmless, but it's worth noting that there are signs of manipulation and pumping of an asset with the aim of further dumping. At that time, in order to achieve this goal, the cryptocurrency had to rise in price by about 43,000%. The question arises, what predictions on Doge does Musk himself make? And why is he so interested in this particular coin? The answer isn't to be found in the billionaire's tweets. In one discussion on the Clubhouse app, he said, "Sometimes I joke about Dogecoin, but it's actually just a joke." The problem is that his tweets are really impacting the market. A recent study showed how trading volumes and quotes surged after Tesla CEO tweeted about cryptocurrencies in 2021. The results were simply stunning. First, each of the 6 cases carefully studied by the Blockchain Research Lab saw a surge in activity. Second, the billionaire's interests may also have a downside. In 2021, the Dogecoin rate may collapse if Elon Musk suddenly writes something negative about Doge. In general, the buyer needs to be careful, because the altcoin at first glance looks comical and attracts attention with its dizzying leaps. But don't forget the adage, you have to be crazy to be bitten twice by the same dog. Mark Cuban has been pegging Doge at $1, and he says it'll set up shop there for the foreseeable future. Now let's look at how Cuban's prediction is shaping Dogecoin's price predictions. Cuban's love of Doge has been growing since early 2021. He told the world that he bought some for his son to teach him about crypto. Since that educational investment, something has vastly grown his love for the coin. His NBA team, the Dallas Mavericks, accepts Dogecoin and other cryptos for ticket and merchandising purchases. Seeing Doge's utility in action has inspired Cuban on Dogecoin. Not only has Cuban predicted Dogecoin to reach $1, but that it will stabilize at the $1 mark. Citing the performance of the coin on the Mavericks eCommerce platform, he says that Doge has an ease of use that makes it perfect as a stablecoin. Doge is becoming more of a utility in terms of currency, Cuban said, noting that the high prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum make a mess of their utility. Cuban's $1 price prediction lines up with other bullish assumptions. Coinpedia is suggesting Doge could reach $1 as early as this year. Digital coin price is not quite there. They predict a 90-cent for Doge price in 2021, but they believe it'll breach the $1 mark in 2022. The Economy Forecast Agency thinks that it will fly beyond the $1 in 2021, ultimately passing $2 in 2021. Doge has been undergoing some correction since its price surge early in the week. After reaching its 69-cent all-time high, it dropped to nearly 50 cents before finding stability at the 60-cent mark, where it was hovering until the Saturday Night Live interview with Elon Musk sent it crashing together with other cryptocurrencies, as he labeled them a hustle. Now, word going around is that Musk is working with developers and they're testing new software on Dogecoin. As mentioned on this channel, crypto enthusiasts found out on coding platforms like GitHub that test transactions were being done on 2 conjoined wallets rumored to be owned by none other than the Tesla boss himself. So the market is looking a bit shaky as of now, and there are many clear patterns. Another important element to consider is how the crypto market responds to social media boosts, just like the ones we regularly notice with Elon Musk. According to other analysts, such as Matt Wallace, he believes that Elon Musk thinks the coin will pump when the AMC short squeeze is over. This is what we think, but be sure to tell us what your thoughts are as well in the comments section. And if you enjoyed the video, do consider hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. And don't forget you can support us on Patreon and join our free Discord group via the links in the description and the pinned comment. As always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.